Stop, this looks harmless, but it's a spore bomb.
If your Monstera has yellow spots on top, the real rust is usually hiding underneath. Flip the leaf, right here. This orange dust is what spreads to your other plants.
I'm the plant doctor. Rust doesn't just sit there. Every time you touch the leaf, water overhead, or crowd plants together, spores travel. You can't erase old spots overnight, but you can stop new spores from taking over and protect fresh leaves.
Top of leaf, yellow spots. Underside, orange powdery bumps along the veins. That's rust. If you see it, do this today. You need 3 things: lukewarm water, cold pressed neem oil, and mild liquid soap. In an empty spray bottle, add half a teaspoon of mild soap first. Add 1 teaspoon of neem oil. Fill with 1 liter of lukewarm water. Close it and shake hard for 30 seconds. If you don't, the neem separates and you're basically spraying water. Spray the undersides first, lightly misting, not dripping, then mist the tops. Keep your Monstera out of harsh sun for 24 hours. Repeat weekly for 3 to 4 weeks to protect new growth. 2 mistakes make Monstera rust worse: misting at night and soaking the leaves until it drips into the soil. Think fine mist undersides first. If this helped, like, subscribe.
Comment Monstera rust, and I'll help you with the safest routine. Pests, diseases, root rot. I'll show you how to diagnose all 3. If you want the full Monstera rescue system, it's linked below. Use code Monstera Pro. Limited time, 50% off with code Monstera Pro.